If the Google Play Store is freezing or crashing on your Google TV, the problem is typically caused by corrupted cache or outdated app data. Here's how to fix it fast. Solution 1. Restart Google TV and router. Most of the time, the issue is temporary. Restart your Google TV by powering it off completely. Then, plug it back on. Meanwhile, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds. Wait a bit and plug it back in and reconnect. This quick reset often fixes the issue, so go check it. Solution 2. Re-enable Play Store. From your Google TV home screen, go to Settings, then open Apps. Go to See All Apps. Now, choose Google Play Store. From here, select Disable and then confirm your choice. After that, choose Enable and confirm your choice. This simple step resets the Google Play Store in the Android OS of your Google TV. Solution 3. Clear Play Store cache and data. While you're in the Google Play Store settings, look for the Clear Cache option. Select it and confirm your choice. After that, select Clear Data and then confirm your choice. Now, open the Play Store and check your issue. Solution 4. Clear Google Play Services cache. This is the engine behind the Play Store. To clear its cache, go to your Google TV settings, then open Apps. Go to See All Apps. Now, scroll down to the bottom and select Show System Apps. Then, scroll down again and find Google Play Services. Select it. Scroll down to Clear Cache and select it. Now, confirm your choice. After that, restart your TV. Your Play Store should be working again. Hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.